Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has dipped nearly below the intraday low or the Saturday low that formed here at around $106,900. Overall, not really any changes, right? What certainly has become clear is that the price has failed to generate let's say an upside reversal pattern. At least based on what we can see right now on the chart, the price has failed to form a potential 5-wave move up. So I showed you in the last video a roadmap, a potential roadmap for higher prices, a roadmap that needed to be followed for a first signal that a low has formed. And if you watched the previous video, then you know what I'm talking about. It was a pattern or a roadmap to form a leading diagonal to the upside. But that didn't happen. Also not that much of a surprise, given that I warned you that it likely won't be fulfilled. It likely won't happen, that 5-wave move up, because we have actually a 5-wave move down from the Thursday high. So we have here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. And that typically pushes the trend down, right? It tells us at least that the trend or the pressure is downward, unchanged, okay? That's why I said, we're looking for lower prices until the market can prove to us that it wants to turn around to the upside, that the bulls make a comeback after this 5-wave move down. Now, while the market has reacted here to the 50% retracement, one of the technical levels discussed, the potential upside reversal attempt from there hasn't happened. And what we would need to see, as I said, is a 5-wave move up and break above our signal line here at $111,150. Now, okay, that didn't happen. So what does it mean? No change to the forecast for potentially still lower prices. Nevertheless, once we see a potential that there could be an upside reversal, I will tell you still what we need to watch out for. So could still happen that we break out, but then again, I need to see a break above that $111,000, $200 level, this last swing high. At the moment, we have only a 3-wave move up from that last low. Now, only a 3-wave move down as well from the Saturday swing high. So it could chop around here a bit. That's essentially what it's telling us. The structure it has not changed. Structure hasn't changed, but the fact that we had 5 waves down from the Thursday high, a corrective rally, which might turn into a larger corrective rally, fair enough, but a corrective rally only indicates the move down isn't finished yet. So we should get at least one more leg down. That could be, for example, the orange wave C. Might also be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Like a larger 5-wave decline. But we just don't have enough data to work with yet, okay? So this would be a bearish pathway. Not really bearish, but as part of a larger correction. But again, we don't have a lot of data to work with right now. It's just not a lot of data. All we had is a 5-wave decline and a test of support and a 3-wave move up. It's certainly not bullish yet, certainly no evidence for a low, and therefore the pressure remains downward. And what would further confirm this? Well, certainly another 5-wave decline, maybe from the Saturday high. That hasn't happened yet. That would confirm further that the pressure is downward. And also taking out these previous swing lows from Wednesday at around 106,250 and the one from Tuesday at around 104,250 would help, to confirm that further. Not much going on there, but as you can see, it could be that this was an A wave down in orange. This here is a B wave up in orange. Again, might have topped already, that's possible, but pressure is down. A 3-wave move can always extend into a larger 3-wave move. It's just not needed. Yeah, and then we could come down in either wave C in orange, or it's a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to change that, we need a 5-wave move up above that last swing high there, this green line, yeah. Really not much more to talk about. I mean, the daily chart hasn't changed anyway, but yeah, that's at the moment what we're tracking for BTC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.